Hello, I'm a locksmith with Shure Lock and Key, and today we are taking apart a door lock for a 2018 Ford Escape with an HU101 high security Ford key. To start, we are going to begin by taking off this C-clip. Once you have that C-clip off, you can take off the cap right here, and you can see how it fits back into place. There is a second piece that comes off that will be necessary. In addition, there is this little retainer clip, which just comes right out. Once that is out, there is right here a little piece of metal that is wedged in there that must be removed in order to let this slip out of place. Usually you can take just a tiny flathead or some kind of ice pick. As you can see, once I punched it through the side with a screwdriver, on this side it is sticking out now, and once you have enough space you can grab it with a pair of pliers, needle nose, or tweezers and pull it out the rest of the way. This is what our little metal piece looks like when you finally get it out. This is the hole that it comes from. It can be quite persuasive if necessary to get it out. Sometimes you might have to beat on it a little bit to get it to release itself. Now that this little guy is removed from the side, we can move on to trying to remove this one from the top. What I suggest is taking a very fine drill and drilling it here just underneath it, and also on the other side just underneath it, so that you can get in with a pick and pry it up. So as you can see, this is about where you want to drill it in order to get as low as possible. It is shaped just like this one, where it is not completely rectangular. It has those little cutouts on the side, and so the cutouts are actually facing the bottom. So you will need to get your pick in underneath that hole and in order to pry it upward. So I was able to very easily pull that upward, and now I'll be able to pull it out. And there we have our two retainer pins for our high security HU101 for the Ford Escape. Once we have those out, you can just punch this backwards and the lock will come out. Like many other cars, this vehicle has 2 and 2 and 2 all the way down, rather than 1 on each side. So very carefully we will attempt to start with the very back of the key and work our way toward the tip of the key, and read the codes on these wafers to determine what our bidding is.